Hello everybody, you join me again in my French kitchen for another recipe. Today Mum and I are making pork casserole with apple and cider sauce. So we've still got some apples to use from Mum's garden. So we came up with the idea of doing this recipe for you. Mum's just cutting the apples up.
We've got a nice bottle of cider as well.
Yep.
To go in it.
I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large heavy bottom saucepan, and into that I'm going to add 2 medium onions roughly chopped. I've got 400 grams of diced free-range pork and 12 small free-range pork chipolatas. And there's the 4 small apples that Mum cut up and peeled. And they're going to go in now with the onion. So the sausages are frying in that saucepan. And to this onion I'm going to add the pork. So that browns. And the heat down a little bit. There we go. Now it's time to put some carrot in. So we're going to add 2 carrots cut into 1/2 centimetre rounds.
Lovely. Gives a nice bit of colour, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Add some salt.
Lovely sea salt.
Yeah.
And black pepper.
Yeah. And those apples can go in too now.
They can, yeah.
Anything to stir.
Looks delicious. Oh, they're coming on nicely.
They are.
They're nearly ready to go in the pot as well.
Yep, they are, Mum.
What are you doing now, Sam?
So now, Mum, it's time to add a tablespoon of flour.
Oh, lovely. That'll make the sauce nice and thick, won't it?
That's right, yeah. Just put it in at the point where there's still some fat in the pan, some oil in the pan, from the meat and the oil that we cooked the onions in.
And it cooks the flour a bit, doesn't it? So
It does,
go
yeah.
lumpy.
I'll just let that cook off for a couple of minutes so it doesn't taste floury. And then it'll be time to add some liquid.
How about these sausages? They look ready.
Yep, they're done. Switch those off.
In go the sausages. Lovely.
Nice local cider from Normandy.
Yes. Brut means it's dry, doesn't it?
Yeah, extra dry.
Whee!
Go. So putting the cider in, we'll deglaze the bottom of the pan. All the caramelised pieces at the bottom from the meat and the onions.
That smells amazing, Sam.
It's good, isn't it? So I'm just deglazing the bottom of the pan with a little bit of the stuff, and that will come up to make the sauce a nice colour.
On goes the lid. And how long will we leave that for now?
We'll let that cook for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to add a little bit of stock. We've made 300ml of chicken stock with a stock cube and Mum's just going to add that in. Now that the alcohol is cooked out of the cider a bit.
Oh, that'll be yummy.
So now we just want to leave that on the simmer for about an hour.
Shall I put the lid
Yeah, pop the lid back on, Mum.
like that?
Yep, that's great.
The potatoes have been deglazing the frying pan that the sausages was browned in to get all the flavour, and now they're going into beef fat to roast. I need a bit of salt on them, Sam.
Yes,
I forgot to do it when they were in the pan.
that's fine, Mum. Let's put a bit on.
I thought I'd better tell you. That helps them brown, and of course it gives them a nice flavour.
There we go. Fine sea salt, that one.
Lovely. And into the oven they go. Shall you have a look at the casserole to see how that's getting on? Oh, that's coming on lovely.
Yeah.
Smells delicious.
Stir.
Cheers.
Cheers, Mum.
Cheers, Nat. Cheers, Mum.
Cheers, Tom.
Cheers, everyone.
It's a nice glass of Chardonnay we've got. And Tom's got...
Red, I'm not sure what kind.
It's a Bordeaux, I think.
What you doing now, Sam?
Well, I've tasted the meat and veg and it's all nice and tender and cooked. So now I'm going to add the other parts to the sauce. I've got a heaped teaspoon of Dijon mustard
Ooh.
and a heaped tablespoon of creme fraiche. It can come off the heat now. Needs a little more salt and pepper. And we're serving it with roast potatoes and curly kale in two colours, red and green.
Is it from your garden?
It isn't, no, but it's from an organic stall at the Domfront Market.
Very nice. Oh, look at that. You must give this a try. It's really delicious.
Yeah, very easy too.
What do you think of that, Sean?
Delicious.
Jolly good.
Not standing on ceremony.
No. Tom, what do you think of that?
Very nice.
Lovely. Sam's been very good. She's not having any roast potatoes because she's on a diet. Well done, Sam.
Thanks for joining me. I hope you like the recipe. Let me know if you make it in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video.